That statement is very unfortunate. Indeed, it is prejudicial for the AG to have made that statement that the court should continue to convict the accused persons.
Tamutuku, Tobase, that means that the Kosi or court. Emma that time Wontumi or Bressa, but catch me our conversation. I say, do you have a renewed hope for Operation Recover Old Ora? And as a still, that. And what Anna, yes, I go beside say, and yeah, a friend is saying, Time Wontumi one and one can. And you're not going to lawyer able delay. Now, Adu-Boahene cases are going saying, and also, oh, the same other documents. Baby, I do not time I want to be with them. According to the lawyer, or say Debbie, now, Deputy Attorney General Justice Srem-Sai, the oil a prejudice. What shall I say, a book time I want to me for a brown court, no, judge for the crown wonderful, and say, ah. Adenti ana o case una defendant the Attorney General and the Minister for Justice what the case they were presenting all the charges at the National Court no aka say also ube prevent o defense no o did no case e court able to we go appeal court no e share say bra na be open o defense na for witness ebra o ga say debi yenka appeal court ye ni wie appeal court as able to come and open your defense still what that's your own crocodile John but court no ama chairman Wontumi and the lawyers on the 5th of May open and so obey the defense and that's sada no the judgment ebeba.
That statement is very unfortunate. Indeed, it is prejudicial for the AG to have made that statement that the court should continue to convict the accused persons. It is very unfortunate, especially coming from the Attorney General who doubles as the Minister for Justice. He forgets that the justice system needs an Attorney General and a Minister of Justice who will preside over fair trials and fair decisions from the courts. But this, we have an Attorney General who is crying for the court to convict an accused person who has not even opened his defense. So it's a very unfortunate statement on becoming of an Attorney General who is in a hurry to seek conviction of somebody in criminal trial.
But it was born from the fact that the defense lawyers failed, for want of a better word, to file their defense as was directed or ordered by the court.
The defense lawyers did not file the witness statement as of choice, not we failed, because we have a process before the Court of Appeal whose determination will affect the procedure or the proceedings. So it is incumbent on us to take full advantage of opportunities available to us as defense lawyers in a criminal trial. And this is something that happens all the time, that if a decision comes from a lower court and you are dissatisfied with the decision, the opportunities are there for you to go up to a higher court, which is the Court of Appeal, to file the necessary process to seek justice. So we did everything allowed by law, and that we had opportunities. And don't forget that the Constitution has a provision that accused persons must be given adequate time, preparation, and even resources to be able to defend themselves when they are before a trial court. So the defense team, in their wisdom, decided that we have to file, repeat the application at the Court of Appeal, which we did. And having filed it, we thought that it was necessary for the court to stay until that application is heard in the Court of Appeal. So it is not a failure not to file, but it was a decision not to file.
Thank you, Councillor.
Operation Recover, all loot will recover. And then I feel many areas, I feel, and I'm feeling Attorney General, but I didn't know. Cases I cause you and me who said Dominic Akrutinga Ayini and the General Court. They be a deputy. At the Oluma Wajama, Abranten, and I said, Abranten, you want the party, and I'm intimate because me who's a case, it be a Udibi. Chama to me, Justice Srem-Sai. Now, on Adu-Boahene, according to Deputy Attorney General and friends, the Minister of Justice, Dr. Justice Srem-Sai, theatrics act now, lawyers Edema, National Signal Bureau Director, former Kwabena Adu-Boahene, Omoyano, forget it. Obedem.
Considering, I am just concerned about the level of his conduct in the media on the case. So, for example, he will come and threaten that when we bring a particular witness, he's ready to finish that witness and things like that. I'm not sure if those things are particularly ethical to be, even before the witness can, you are telling the public that you are going to finish the witness and all that. But it's a simple case as far as we are concerned. There is public coffers. You move money from the public coffers into a private account. And we have produced evidence of that transfer, which is by checks, 3 checks. After that, from that private account, you have spent the money in purchasing property and other things for your personal benefit and for the benefit of your companies and your friends. We have evidence to that effect, which we have put before the court. And we said public money is not supposed to be spent that way. And anyone who spends public money that way is either charged with stealing or causing financial loss or money laundering or any of those offenses. That is what the case is about. We have, through the cross-examination, seen a number of things that the defense has been trying to do. First, they began by trying to show that there was discrepancy between the dollar and the CD, values at the time, which for us is neither here nor there. It's a different thing if we accuse you of stealing dollars and then we converted into CDs and charged you. Then you can say that the conversion rate will reduce the amount. But in this case, it is CD is the CD account. So you move CD from the public coffers into a CD, private bank account. So the long cross-examination about CD dollar rate is neither here nor there. Then when that collapsed, they now moved to an area where they were trying to say that the accused person usually gives loans to the public organization, and suggesting that the 49 million, which was the subject matter of the thing, is a so-called repayment of the loan that he has previously given to the institution. So basically saying that the institution was paying the loan back. That didn't go anywhere. Recently, there was a suggestion through cross-examination that the account which we are calling a private account was a secret national security account in which the money was being sent. We don't know what that means, because if it is a national security account, we will know. So that too didn't go anywhere. Then I think the recent angle of cross-examination seemed to suggest that the equipment which was supposed to be bought with the money
purchased
has been purchased and is there. But we have tendered in evidence. We have filed as part of our disclosures the inventory which shows that it wasn't there. The last time I checked, they have failed to go and inspect the inventory. So how is our case weak? Because the core allegation of moving public money into private account and spending it for personal purposes has not been damaged by any of these.
You believe they are publicly doing this to create a certain perception in the minds of?
I believe so, because I believe they're actually succeeding. And I have a certain standard, ethical, I don't think I am a public official.
Right.
I owe the public explanation on everything I do. Okay. But I also don't think that it is fair to the accused person for me to come out of court every day and be saying things from my perspective.
I'm saying more. Now I'm beginning to have hope, but my hope will be complete. Like Muhammad is giving us hope. If only me was a chairman Wontumi any Adu-Boahene omo the prison. So omo nampa dia lalai mapajamisa. But for now, manya renew hope. What about you? When you renew hope, say operation recover all loot, will recover the loot. Ampa. And now say still wabre, you are tired. Umbeso be the case until you see it. And I understand. Says I no feel like catching me. But say when you renew hope like me, I'm here idea. And the time to cool. Tobase. Na means that they go see your court. Emma and that time I want to me. Or blessa, but catch me. Oh, comment section. I say, do you have a renewed hope for Operation Recover Old Ora? And as a still, that. They go see our court and say, Chama want to me, not your man quine. Say, Justice Srem-Sai, Ojina Ghana. And I'm a year, say, Mama say, hey, I contact minus. Chama want to me, acquire Yamusina only proper license. Our tunnel, you be any some boy forest in Muno. And then you know, so we are the team. You got chain of Kransu Gaga or Sergeant Nema. None ye case in the costume who say Yakobi baby was when they say, acquire fast, acquire hurry up. Yet you need to move here, the manager, I know ye do my Emma Kunta Manis. Papa no, or say, you do say you're free, a friend say, a chama won't to me, your money into ono akwa wajanto kwanuku. They say no obey witness. The Attorney General. And after say obey witness, I can't send dear dance here. Editor Tama Wontumi no. Adman acquire day. I'm a Tama Wontumi. Now the lawyer Andy Appiah-Kubi, me Philip upon the fantastic. But in case you were part, yes, was surprising me. Me so Otimi got on TV so. Now what was speaking about Galamsey say, why you stop Galamsey no Tom, but Okokota only defending Galamsey came to him. I'm saying, yes, if I do. And ma kone okwatifi eko hunu so no aba na afọ bebusa. Na wey the akosi nan say court after say Attorney General LST body charges in area ye ka say wey ni bone a ye say chama Wontumi aye nti say o bibi ka onka nte oni bibi ka court mumu anefo na efa ni kotu fiase na damages bia wa cause Ghana as a country no ye emfa mfiri ni nchen. Na lawyer e ka say dey bi obe file for no case say charges na ye de body na no sebi tafrache and I say Srem ni be say sebi tafrache case enye case ba ku say ogofale ya amfa court abotro ana so ko appeal ogodu appeal is so and so amfa enti omuwe na Justice Srem-Sai wo court ana ka chere court say we o delay keke on be so mo ya na fu yes na ba na wiye na akire MPP ba ya be no prosecute na ne wanto no am say na nye Ghana kra na ye Ghana obi a na asem wo court aye di na asem ye ni wiye otimi go national chairman o go national chairman ma the biggest opposition party Ghana ho in fact a party is spending 8 years and now here regional chairman am say party no mo see just 1 year 4 months ni ono go national chairman abra o court Ghana no asem mo say nye serious na eno ena court asema Justice Srem-Sai kai na court say what can yate because as a delay that is in your dosun lawyer Andy Appiah-Kubi ye straightforward say ubebie o case o defense be o defense na invite witness say also ube interrogate witness Attorney General e present here na wo akonta minus na nkasa o manager oye witness edema Attorney General so bebusa the questions bebusa na yentie ne rese ampa de yesi wa ye no wo ye ya na wa anye na mom no case ni de ye bo to agu case wo asem wi nu eno na lawyer Andy Appiah-Kubi so respond or say the law counsel for the friends attorney general Dr. Justice Srem-Sai after say Okachi say he prayed that the court should convict Chairman Wontumi no a prejudice wa share that and we bu atan na to that atan no yen kan asem ni wie ba odi kan bu na atanche wo wabu na atanche da odi kan ba ma na wi afeli wa wie na bra bo me say na de no case would delay 1 year ni but they run and code them. Your first rent and code them. Do we 1,000 Ghana and 3,000 Ghana and code them? Chama Wontumi kwan and the case. Your certificate yet season the mobile money now. Yet still, Chama Wontumi na so court to ba. Monfale am say monfale. Any wild case. Who now a friend a lawyer for the defense for the defendant. Open the defense. Not defend the way. Hey, who did also where day? Your boy is so back. Your boy is minu. Umobi. Yes, also Musabi. Also for also witness, bra. I say the idea the money witness. And now money defense. And the court has said on the 5th of May, Chairman Wontumi and file for the defense. That day there will be a prosecution. Because so. You very ideally Chairman Wontumi sadano. Because court no be man verdict. Omadi can't take the side of the Attorney General Minister for Justice. Eti the lawyer Andy Appiah-Kubi can just say ne ni kwase si na si sa ba me say lie anu achi ana yese ko busa ne say enye e friend say Chairman Wontumi nkwa na ne ho aka enye ono nkwa na ne lawyer ebo delay na Adu-Boahene case so ko si say ana so the same document omu na the same tactics na no mu na yisu na osinsa antics ni theatrics theatrics stars na defense na omode ko no eno so ye wan friends lawyer no kra no dey atachia lawyer atachia any lawyer Andy Appiah-Kubi dey say omu na for mo adwene delay that is slow as a friend is saying tortoise be odam form no achechide na ntie ode bokoko sa obedu no na che ana say we hu onim ni na ye part of the reason why the first judge and not na case no yasesa na next judge aba and said delay that is na omo no engosi aga omosa ombeji esika ma ya me say na ade na ya judges no ekondoni imagine say Chairman Wontumi dey yama no almost 2 weeks and they be 2 weeks 3 weeks 2 weeks 3 weeks ade na the defense no one man first chance one file for second chance one file for third chance one file for ade na we dey call woman 2 weeks man 3 days before days be on fa prepare the akanembra so on prepare here na nasem Adu-Boahene case 49 million Ghana cedis ya ni gani and ye na ye hu say CCTV camera twegu left right ne yire ne tawo ni na pa na oswosika ne cars dem ni cat say de omutwi a friend say a friend say Formula 1 race no ni na ati egusu de asemi court ye de court 1 year ni 1 year ni ye ndi asemi ni wie ye nhu de we guilty how why I don't get it. How they? Where in my amount for lose hope? When they come to say young convicted politicians, no. But this time around, Deputy Justice Srem-Sai, I say, I do a friend say, Kwabena Adu-Boahene, Chairman Wontumi, omuye dem obedem. Now, Chairman Wontumi den there, was court, Miss Sremo, but them payable, Sremo. So omuntimi en open omu defense ene mon fa verdict number mon fa ruling number na onkodam en na lawyer Andy Appiah-Kubi so onti ase me onti ase adenti na ya lawyers for no mu delay times but me se me manya renew hope ora mu. What about you? Catch me our comment section na say where you subscribe like na share me onua so enya bi ahwe di no e ba ko pe max billion naked truth boga trends macro bye bye.